Hi, today we'll be showing you how to make paneer pies. We're first going to be adding all our ingredients in the pan here to cook it up, and then we'll be putting them in the pies. So first thing, you will want to add a tablespoon of oil with your heat turned to high on a pan here, and you'll add half a tablespoon of garlic paste, just a mixture of garlic blended in water. So after adding half a tablespoon of garlic paste, we'll follow that up with a teaspoonful of green chilies, which is just blended green chilies with water. And we'll add half a teaspoon of salt, 3/4 of a cup of green peas, and half a kilo of shredded paneer. Followed by half a bunch of coriander leaves, and mix all of the ingredients up. Again, the pan is set on high heat, or the stove is set on high heat. And you'll want to also continue stirring and mixing this up for the next 10 minutes. And once you see that the 10 minutes have passed, then you can stop that, and this becomes what you add into the pies. Once you've finished cooking the ingredients in the pan as we showed you earlier, next thing what you want to do is prepare the pastry dough. Here we have 6 square slices cut up, and what we're using is butter puff pastry. You can find this sort of pastry dough in pretty much any supermarket where you live, and in our case we cut up an entire sheet here to 6 square sizes, all the same, and we're going to be filling this up with the ingredients we showed you earlier. So let's do that next. So we'll take a tablespoonful and place it on each pastry sheet. Actually, maybe add about a tablespoon and a half, 2 tablespoons. Fold the pastry into a triangle shape and mold it such that it's closed and there's no open spaces. And we can do the same for the next slice. Be careful not to overfill the pastry because the dough can break open, and you don't want that when you're frying, or when you're baking this in the oven rather. So we finished packing the 6 pies, as you can see here, and now we're just simply pasting on some egg yolk to the surface of these pies or pastries to help it cook better in the oven and give it the shine. And you find it just cooks better when you paste it with some egg yolk. So we'll do this to all 6, after which we will place it in the oven to cook. We're placing this in the oven now to cook for 15 minutes, and we'll check back with you when it's ready. Okay, so here's what it looks like after we've baked it in the oven. And as you can see here, we typically eat this with chili sauce. Ketchup as well would go well with this, so it's a pretty simple recipe. It doesn't take all that long to make, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the future for similar videos.